can this bottle do? But have you ever wondered where these plastic bottles go after being used? Imagine this. In the Philippines alone, comprised of 7,500 islands, the country generates 2.7 million tons of plastic waste each year, and 20% of this ends up in the oceans. For a small bottle, it's highly destructive, right? As the human population on Earth increases, so does the solid waste produced. Any garbage or discarded materials are considered solid waste, which is disposed through solid waste management. Solid waste management is a process wherein waste are collected, treated, and disposed to protect the environment and the health of the human population from the negative effects of the waste itself. However, improper solid waste management has a huge environmental impact and may also cause serious problems. Different municipalities consider lack of proper solid waste management and inadequate space for their waste as one of the major environmental problems of their area, and that includes the municipality of Ibaan Batangas. In this town, 3,285 cubic meters of solid waste are collected every year, wherein 9 cubic meters of solid waste that are limited to only 7 barangays of the town are collected and disposed per day, thus losing space for the collected waste and causing negative impacts to the town. Plastic, a durable, lightweight, and inexpensive material, is abundant yet highly destructive to the environment. Plastics are evident and used everywhere in the municipality of Ibaan. However, it cannot be denied that the town is having difficulty in disposing them. They are made of polymers that can take years to decay. Even plastic bottles alone can take up to more than 450 years to decompose. The blessing of its durability makes it non-biodegradable and turns into the curse of imperishability. With that, let us,
the students from the Ibaan St. James Academy Incorporated, introduce our proposed solution, the Reverse Vending Machine.
This study is conducted proposing a potential solution for plastic waste management in Ibaan, Batangas.
This automated recycling mechanism is inspired by the convenience of vending machines, wherein instead of the user putting in the money and getting out the product, the user puts in the product and gets out the money. This innovation would suffice the needs of proper solid waste management since it recycles plastic bottles and therefore helps and saves the environment.
This study aims to design a reverse vending machine considering the necessary properties, specifications, and mechanisms in hopes to promote recycling and public participation in our municipality. Thus, the reverse vending machine will mostly benefit the environment and the community of Ibaan Batangas. Not only will it utilize plastic bottles to prevent it to disrupt the ecosystem, but it will also be a small source of income to anyone of every age bracket in the community. In addition, with this reverse vending machine, the negative impacts of plastic wastes will be minimized. Hence, the utilization of waste segregation and recycling, which will then give the community more control in collecting their wastes. Finally, it will serve as an encouragement to people to continue innovating with green engineering for a sustainable future. Wondering how to do it? Here's how.
They said that another man's trash is another man's treasure. Inspired by the vending machine, safety and convenience will be the highlight of our reverse vending machine. Using such kind of machine to return plastic bottles is quick, easy, and rewarding. Customers can deposit plastic bottles in exchange of money depending on the number of plastic bottles. The plastic bottles will then be shredded, turning to an ingredient in making concrete hollow blocks. With this concept, you're not only helping the environment, but also save a lot of money. The design of our reverse vending machine is fairly simple. It will have an LCD screen for easy use, an open and close mechanism wherein you're going to put the bottles, a cone dispenser, storage container, and a shredder to increase the storage capacity. automated recycling mechanism will be operated using the Arduino. What is Arduino? It is a popular open source microcontroller board. Using an Arduino Uno operated system, improvement in the present plastic waste management could be expected. All of the system components will be encased in a metal structure and protected from elements. The machine itself will be secured and surrounded by metal casing. The proponents of this innovation ensures that the design of reverse vending machine will not harm individuals who will use it. The majority of materials will be made from aluminum and steel, from its structure up to its major components like system board, storage bin, coin dispenser, and shredder. Aluminum steel are widely used in the world, both durable, inexpensive, readily available, and can be resourced locally. They say that sustainability is the balance between the environment, equity, and economy. In terms of sustainability, a reverse vending machine hits 2 of the 17 SDGs of the United Nations.
First, the goal number 11, sustainable cities and communities, where we can help by reducing the adverse environmental impact on cities by improving the municipal's waste management and by providing universal access to safe, inclusive, and accessible green and less plastic public places for everyone in the community.
And lastly, Goal 13, Climate Action. This study will use the reverse vending machine to act as a combating climate change and its negative impact to the environment by recycling plastic bottles. This will strengthen resilience and adaptive capacity to climate-related hazards and natural disasters.
Plastic waste is just the tip of the iceberg, and the reverse vending machine is just a small solution to a bigger problem. With our own ways, we can help innovate our ways of dealing with problems. A sustainable future not only with solid waste management, but to every problem we are dealing in our society today and years to come.
Join us
as we conquer the world with innovative technology to achieve a sustainable future.